to make my favorite dessert. It is mango pudding. This is what I need: sugar, milk, jelly powder, and mango. Let's cooking. Boiling 500 milliliter of water. Add all of the jelly powder and mix them together. My mango pudding has two colors. This is the first color. I put it in a square box and I wait until it cooled. For the second color, we also boiling 500 milliliter of milk and add some sugar and white jelly powder. And don't forget to mix them together. The pudding color is supposed to be white and orange, but me and my mom bought the wrong color. It's green and orange. Oh no, but it's okay. Last but not least, boiling 200 milliliter of milk, sugar, and cornstarch. While waiting, I sing my favorite song. I think the pudding is ready. Let's sing. Ta-da! For the finishing touch, I put flour and mango on top of the pudding. Yay! It's done. Mango pudding by me. Bye!